Identify the sequence of transformations that maps quadrilateral ABCD onto quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay, so the first thing that I notice is that C was up here. Okay, it was up here. And then it's down here. So I'm going to follow letter C. Because if I could stick with one point, usually I can find out how it moves. And we can figure out what the transformation is for these. So I'm going to say, okay, I want to rotate. I want to rotate around the origin 90 degrees. And I want to go like a clock does and go clockwise. So I'm going to write that down. 90 degrees clockwise. Because I know this thing has to rotate because it has to turn to get C at the bottom. So it was, if it's got a string here and it was 1 this way, now it's going to be 1 down this way. The string went up 3 to get to there. So now that string is going to be out here. And C is going to end up right here. Okay. So I know that kind of seems weird, but just picture this square. I always think of the origin. You've got, it goes to the right 1. So then when it turns, it goes 90 degrees. So it goes down 1. And since it went up 3, it went to the right 3. So it kind of turns like that. So then we can go ahead and map the others. So this one was at -1, 0. We turned. It's going to be here now. That'll be B prime. And then I'm going to erase these real quick for you because I think it's distracting as we're trying to draw our figure. Okay, so we've got that. Then A was to the left 4, so now we're going up 4 and to the right 1. And that was A prime. And then D prime was here. Is that right? 2, 3. Yep. Okay, so here is our new figure. Not the best drawing, but you get the idea. Now we need to move it over this direction. So I'm going to move it how many spots? I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. So that means I'm going to add 3 to my X value. And I'm going to do nothing to my Y value. Because when we move it 3 spots to the right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it does move it to where the figure is now. So really just watch how that turns